welcome to Prudent Media. My name is Sachin Chatte and on this program we take a look at the latest releases. Today we will take a look at Loveyapa and the Himesh Reshammiya movie called Badass Ravi Kumar. First, let's take a look at Loveyapa. A remake of the recent Tamil film Love Today, which was released in 2022, Loveyapa explores the complexities that emerge when a young couple in love is compelled to swap their phones for a day. Upon exiting the theatre, one cannot help but reflect on the scarcity of quality romantic comedies in contemporary cinema, both in Hollywood and Hindi films also. The effort in most cases looks very laboured, and that is an issue with this film as well. Directed by Advait Chavan, known for his work on Secret Superstar and Lal Singh Chaddha, this adaptation is approximately 20 minutes shorter than the original film. However, the incessant dialogue contributes to a perception of extended duration. It is important to acknowledge that there are moments of humour that elicit chuckles, though they seldom provoke genuine laughter. Gaurav, played by Junaid Khan, and Bani, played by Khushi Kapoor, are a young couple who are truly deeply and madly in love with each other. Gaurav has a younger sister of marriageable age, complicating his path to marrying Bani. His profession remains somewhat ambiguous as he only mentions to Bani's father, played by Ashutosh Rana, that he is a senior developer, a claim which is prompted by her. The father decides to implement a trust test for the couple, which involves them exchanging their phones for a day to determine if they are truly meant for one another. Should their relationship falter, they agree that Bani will marry a man of her father's choosing. The exchange of phones leads to an unfiltered sharing of personal data, granting full access to calls, messages, photographs, and social media accounts. To their surprise, both individuals are concealing secrets from one another. Bani has a few ex-boyfriends still in the picture, while Gaurav is a flirt and a member of an all-boys club engaged in questionable online activities. He has even been auditioning women for a short film titled Prem Ki Pyasi Main Adivasi. Kiran, played by Tanvika Parlikar, is his sister and she is engaged to Anupam, played by Kiku Sharda, and their relationship is also fraught with tension, primarily due to her insistence on accessing his phone, which he refuses to give. The insights Gaurav and Bani gain about one another through their phones far exceed their in-person interactions. The situation escalates to the brink of ending their relationship, but ultimately reason prevails. The film tends to become repetitive and drags on once their phones are swapped. Although set in Delhi, the dialogue among characters is incessant, leaving one longing for moments of quiet. The performances of the cast are adequate. While they do not particularly shine, they manage to deliver a commendable performance. Overall, this exploration of romantic entanglements is neither absurd nor particularly memorable, and hence I'm going to go with 2 out of 5 stars for the new romantic comedy called Loveyapa. And now let's take a look at Badass Ravi Kumar. Badass Ravi Kumar is a film that features a hero whose actions are accompanied by the repetitive background music screaming "Badass, badass, badass, badass," ensuring that the title remains at the forefront of the viewer's mind. This film, directed by Keith Gomes, serves as an unabashed homage to the cinematic style of the 1980s, where logic often takes a backseat. While it features some weighty dialogues, it lacks the distinctive charm and absurdity, a characteristic of that era's films. The opening credits humorously declare that logic is optional in this movie, a sentiment that seems to resonate with many contemporary films. The narrative introduces Ravi Kumar, played by Himesh Reshammiya, detailing his childhood, the separation from his brother, and the death of their father. Now he's become a police officer, and Ravi Kumar has embraced a badass persona, opting for a chainsaw over a knife when it comes to self-defense. Despite facing suspensions on multiple occasions, his services are once again called upon by Bharat Mata. This time he is tasked with travelling to Oman to recover a physical reel containing sensitive information about India's military forces. The antagonist is called Carlos Pedro Panther, played by Prabhudeva. He boasts of a flamboyant name and a striking appearance, complete with a red suit and golden boot, as he seeks to obtain the reel. The reel is currently in the possession of Laila, played by Kriti Kulhari, who once harbored feelings for Ravi Kumar, only to be driven to distraction by his affection for her sister Madhubala, which was reciprocated. "You are very negative and I hate negativity," says Ravi Kumar before bumping off a bad guy. The dialogue continues to flow consistently with lines such as "तू बड़ा होके बिगड़ा होगा, मैं बचपन से ही खराब हूँ." He also says, "जो रवि कुमार से उलझता है, उसकी फोटो में हार लगता है," displaying his level of confidence. In order to obtain the reel, he must steal a valuable necklace from a highly secured location, employing a tactic reminiscent of Dharmendra's approach in Shalimar, which was back in 1978. Now, Ravikumar's ability to sing and dance also proves advantageous as Sunny Leone makes a cameo appearance and their performance serves to distract the guards. However, the musical numbers detract from the already limited momentum of the film. One of the songs is titled Tandoori Days, leaving one to ponder what might follow next. Paneer Night perhaps? The acting leaves much to be desired. While it is clear that logic was not a priority in the film, one would expect at least a modicum of competent filmmaking, which doesn't exist in this movie. I'm going to go with 2 out of 5 stars for Himesh Reshammiya's new movie called Badass Ravi Kumar. Well, that's what I thought of the 2 films that were released this week. Do let us know what you think. And I'll be back with you next week with more movie reviews. Till then, it's goodbye from me.